Yes.
On the arrest of Mayor Alvin Go,
Yeah.
nababatikos po yung ating mga government officials for having a photo with Mayor Go for impropriety and also parang may special treatment na ginagawa ang government. What's your take on this?
Well, I think that is part of the new culture now na nagpapakuhalaga ng kahit ano. Kasi po-post nila, tignan mo, nakasama ako dito sa team na nag-aresto sa ganyan-ganyan. Ang tawag natin sa Pilipinas, we are the selfie capital of the world, di ba? Hindi nag-selfie, hindi mo naman pigilan ng tao na ngumiti. So, they just had a selfie. I don't think there's much more to it than that. Nagpa-selfie sila.